So welcome to your dashboard. Again, my name is Jonathan Brown. I'm the CEO and founder of Livy AI, an AI-powered content creation tool that is built just for you. Here's your dashboard. It allows you to see how many tokens or how many words you have left in your subscription package. In this one in particular, this is a free package. So we start you off with 1,500 words, where we consider that as a essay, college essay, and things like that. From here, you'll be able to see your documents. Anything that you've generated in the past is saved onto your system, so you can quickly review them, edit them, and even share them afterwards. We have a list of AI writer tools, and they run the gamut. We have a blog section, blog post ideas, intros, Instagram captions, hashtags, and so forth, TikTok titles. We want to be able to be that one place where you have all the tools that you need in order to create the content that you are using for your content creators or using for your business. So everything is fine-tuned. We take this and we improve upon it with a myriad of tools and capabilities that our AI engineers are actively working on. And you'll be able to find that here with our AI writing tool. We've also dedicated a lot into screenwriting. We wanted to see how can screenwriters be able to generate content faster. Average time for a screenplay to be written is months at a time. Our early testing has shown that with our tools, what used to take months can now take minutes. So you input your ideas and you'll be able to generate content from that. I'll describe that a little bit more in this video, in our future video series as well. Our AI image generator, right now we're integrated with DALL-E as well as Stable Diffusion. There are other image generations tools that are out there that we're planning on integrating in the near future. Of course, share your feedback in the comments and we'd love to address them. And here, we give example prompts. We have advanced settings, image resolution, art style, lighting style, mood, and the number of images you like to generate. Again, in our free package, we do start off at 10 images, which is, I think, a great way to test out the tool. But over time, if you upgrade, you can get more content as well. Next, we have our AI article wizard. So we got a lot of feedback from SEO writers and content writers, and they wanted a better way to generate content. I'll do a video exclusively on this tool itself, but with our unique user experience, you are able to input a topic, focus on select keywords, generate an outline, and from that outline, generate content. It is effective. It is a great way to rank higher as a business. For startups that are trying to build that organic traffic, this tool is a great way to start generating traffic faster using SEO-optimized content. Next, we have AI chat. We're always rolling out new AI chat tools that are fine-tuned for our users' preferences and needs. From here, you have our AI filmmaker, AI screenwriter instructor, AI acting coach, social media manager, as well as a customer support tool with Livy. We have a great partnership with Project Casting, and that also is a tool that you can ask questions for to receive feedback on as well. Our next tool is speech to text. So if you wanted to create a transcription, or you had a conversation with somebody and you wanted to take that conversation and turn it into a blog post or a audiobook, here's a great way to do it. You would take your audio file, you will upload it to our system, and within minutes, what used to take 10 cents per word, you are now able to generate long form content just from your voice. This is an effective tool for generating content in a faster and more easier way. And we're quite proud of the success that we're able to accomplish with this. And then finally, text to speech. I'll go and do a separate video series again on our AI voiceover. But what you'll see here is that you are able to input your text and then take that text, apply an AI powered voice that is authentic. And then that text will then have a voice that you can use in a myriad of ways. So this is a great tool. I'll again do another video to describe how this works as well. And then finally, we want to hear your support. We want to hear your feedback. We want to know how you're using our tools. So we have a custom built support request system. You create a ticket. Our customer support team, even myself, will go through each one and respond to your questions, concerns, and feedback, and use that moving forward. So this is our dashboard. This is what we use to communicate and integrate with our users, and our users can use our tools to generate content. And we're pretty confident in the capabilities of what we can do. but we're always learning and fine-tuning and improving our product to help businesses, to help content creators take their content to the next level. So in the next video series, I'll be talking a little bit about our AI writer and show you exclusively how to use our tool in order to generate content. Again, my name is Jonathan Brown, and thank you so much for watching.